Hi, my name is Nicoya from Daniel's Kitchen. Thanks for visiting our channel. Daniel's Kitchen is to teach those who want to learn healthy cooking based on the Bible. 1 Corinthians 10 verse 31 says, "So whatsoever you eat or drink, or whatever you do, do it all for the glory of God." We really hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Come back soon for more, and God bless.
Welcome back to Daniel's Kitchen. Today we'll be making vegan veggie pasta. Yummy! Let's get started. First, get a pot and add water, olive oil, and salt in it. The olive oil will help the pasta not to stick together, and the salt will make the pasta have some taste until we season it up. When the water starts to boil, add your choice of pasta. I use rotini. You can use any pasta of your choice. It will taste just as good with penne, elbow, spaghetti, you name it, just try it. Let it boil for 8 to 12 minutes. At 6 minutes, add frozen vegetables of your choice. When the pasta is cooked, strain it. Some other vegetables I like to add are broccoli and carrots, to add more nutrients to my bowl of pasta. Broccoli is a good source of vitamin K, calcium, zinc, and vitamins A and C, which are necessary for healthy bones as well. Carrots has so much good stuff in it that I can't even pronounce them all. It's good for your eyes, skin, and so much more. To learn more about the benefits of some of these ingredients, you can click on the link below. Now let's do our seasoning. You'll need onions, bell peppers, lemon juice, nutritional yeast, and any type of dry seasoning you choose. Some of the seasonings I use are onion powder, garlic powder, Badia complete seasoning, and the garlic and herb Mrs. Dash seasoning. You can add all the colors of bell peppers. I only have the green and orange ones. They are rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and a lot more. Again, you can check out our links below. Add your onions and peppers to your pot and saute them for 5 minutes on medium heat. Then add your pasta to the pot and have fun adding your dry seasonings with your lemon juice. Mix and taste until it reaches your satisfaction. If you want to make it more cheesy, add more nutritional yeast. Nutritional yeast is a very healthy vegan food that has a whole lot of healthy benefits. It can be used to add extra protein, vitamins, and minerals to your food. It sure does make your food cheesy. I add some vegan butter, a lot more than I should, but it gives the food an extra yummy, cheesy, delicious flavor that, I wish I was eating some now. Let it sit for about 3 minutes and then serve and enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. See you guys later. Bye!